Today we're taking a look at an amazing American muscle car, the 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. If you're a fan of powerful V8 engines, aggressive styling, and classic muscle car performance, then this vehicle might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's dive into the details. This particular Dodge Challenger is finished in a beautiful indigo blue exterior color paired with a stylish black interior. The color combination gives the car a bold and premium appearance that stands out on the road. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a 6.4-liter HEMI V8 engine. This engine is famous among muscle car enthusiasts for delivering incredible performance and a thrilling driving experience. The power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and excellent acceleration. One of the best things about the Scat Pack model is its performance. The 6.4-liter HEMI V8 produces approximately 485 horsepower, allowing this car to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds. That's sports car territory while still offering everyday usability. Now let's talk about the mileage. This vehicle has 44,291 miles on the odometer, which is considered reasonable for a 2019 model. According to the listing, there are no accidents or damage reported, which is always a positive sign when shopping for a used vehicle. The car is currently listed for $34,778, which Cars.com has labeled as a good deal. The listing also mentions that the current price is about $2,130 lower than the original listed price, making it an attractive option for buyers looking for value. Fuel economy is rated at approximately 15 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. While fuel efficiency isn't the main reason people buy a Scat Pack, these numbers are respectable considering the powerful V8 engine. The vehicle is located at Oswego Motors in Oswego, Illinois, and the dealership currently holds a strong customer rating of 4.6 stars. Now let's discuss some pros and cons. Pros: powerful 6.4-liter HEMI V8 engine, 485 horsepower performance, aggressive muscle car styling, rear-wheel drive driving experience. No accidents reported, good deal according to market pricing. Cons: fuel economy is lower compared to smaller engines, insurance costs may be higher. Additional dealer fees, taxes, and registration costs may apply. Overall, if you're looking for a modern American muscle car with serious performance, iconic styling, and a powerful V8 soundtrack, this 2019 Dodge Challenger R/T Scat Pack is definitely worth considering. What do you think about this Dodge Challenger? Would you buy it for $34,778? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.